This video demonstrates creating on-demand reports using XLReporter's template library. The library contains a variety of tabular, chart, and SPC report templates that can be accessed for on-demand reporting right out of the box. We'll create 3 templates, one from each of those categories, and demonstrate those templates using the on-demand report viewer. Okay, so to show you just how easy it is to create on-demand reports using the template library, let's open it up from the Home tab of Product Explorer. And in the library, we can create on-demand reports from anything inside of the History folder here. Let's start with this comparison template. And with on-demand, all we need to do is give the report template a name and choose which connector we want to use in that template. Optionally, you can give a title that shows at the top of the report worksheet, but I'll leave mine default. Next, let's go back and create another template. Let's just do a general line chart trend kind of template. And then finally, let's do something a little bit more specialized. So we'll go into the SPC reports and use the Pareto chart template. And so you can see it's really easy to create reports using the library. We basically just pick the ones we want to use, and there's no really further configuration required. I just created these 3 reports in probably about a minute. So now let's open them up in on-demand reports and start generating reports. So taking a look first at the comparison template, this one, I just plug my tags in. And there's a few more settings I select. For duration, this is going to be the period of time that we're comparing, so that's going to be day. And the values we'll be comparing are hourly over that day. And you can see the report is delivered right away with the values for the date I selected, the 29th, the 28th values here, and there's also a delta column as well. We can change up the settings on this one, for example, to show daily comparisons over the week. And we can look at those comparisons on a different set of tags as well. Now let's take a look at the trend template, which is pretty much what the name describes. It's going to visualize the values of the tags that we enter. But it's very flexible and easy to use. For example, we can look at a 2-week trend for March. And we can also look at a very specific trend as well. So if I want to look at the data from 3:13 in the morning to 4:57 on March 1st, I can create that as well and say I see an anomaly in here. I can then go and say, hey, let's take a look at my other production line during that same time period. And we generate the report right away. Finally, the Pareto chart template. I'll select my tags, and you'll see what this one does. It visualizes the most frequently occurring value ranges of the tags that I entered. So over the day from March 29th to the 30th, my mixer zone 1 temperature tag was in this high range 76% of the time. And we can pan back, zoom in and out, and take a look at these trends over different periods of times in this one as well. And with on-demand reports, if you've created a report that you'd like to save or distribute to your organization, you can save it out as Excel or PDF file, send it to a printer, or even email it from this window. With on-demand reports, you can open them up like we did from the Product Explorer, or you can put a shortcut in your desktop and even launch this application right from an HMI display as well. For more information, visit us online at www.scitech.com.